Hi everybody, it's Mamagoony and I'm back with another cooking video for you. And guess what I got here? It's a tomahawk steak. Isn't it amazing? I have let it sit out for about an hour so that it will rest and bring to room temperature. What I'm going to do to it is going to be amazing. Salt and pepper it, and then I'm going to cover it all in butter. Be right back. Here's the steak when it's salt and peppered. Here is the tomahawk steak, lathered up with butter on both sides and on the ends. Number one thing that you do not do with this type of steak, do not stab at it, okay? One of the reasons why that you don't stab at it while it's cooking, because all the juices will flow out of it. People think, oh, it's a way to tenderize it. No, that is a surefire way to toughen it up and make a chewy steak. No one likes a chewy steak. No one. Who does? This is going to be going into the oven for an hour plus that I have a meat thermometer. I wanted to get hot enough so it hits between medium rare and medium. I am going to stick it in the thickest part of this steak, which is going to be right here, so that I can see the thermometer and I'll know when it's ready. So it's going to be in the oven at 225 degrees for about an hour. So I'll be right back. Here is the steak. I just let it out of this oven. And it is at the temperature that I need for it to be, right there. What we're going to do is that we're going to lay some plastic over it and let it rest for 20 minutes. I can't wait till this is done. This is how it looks after 20 minutes of just resting. Alright. This is how it looks. Yeah, it's still a little red. I get it, okay? The carryover cooking has successfully place this at medium rare. Marvelous. So what we're going to do next is that we're going to go ahead and put it in a pan and give it a sear on as many sides as I possibly can. So what I got is my griddle. It's warming up so that once we throw the meat on this here griddle, it's going to give us a nice sizzle. I went ahead and I glazed it over with the buttery olive oil combination goodness. The oil is up in here. See, that is sizzling. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. We're just going to wait about another minute for it to really heat up. So we see that it's popping and locking up in here. We decided not to go with putting foil on here. Oh, hear that sizzle. And I'm going to glaze over the top. We're going to allow this to grill on each side for about 3 minutes. Well, look at those smoky goodness. So we're going to go ahead and give her a flip. Careful, everybody. This could hurt. Oh, look at that. Now this is how you make a tomahawk steak. Let's just see how my tomahawk steak turned out. Let's just go ahead and slice it this way. Look at that. Don't y'all wish that y'all over here is tender, it's juicy. It's not cooked all the way like till it's like dead inside. You still see some of that redness action going on here. And I am going to taste some. Let's do it caveman style. Oh, Look at that juiciness. Oh my God. It's tender, it's juicy, delicious. Not too much of the seasoning, so you can actually taste the meat. It's amazing. So I hope that you will give this a try. I promise you, you will not regret it. I hope that you guys have a wonderful and safe day. Take care and be safe. Bye now.